Good evening, ma'am. Today I am going to explain database seventh experiment and seventh experiment. Here, the question is like this: using the triggers and create a trigger to prevent the same car booked by the customer at the same date. So, for creating this, create or replace trigger one before inserting a car booking for each row when new booking old booking date and new customer id equal to old customer id begin, and dbms car already booked output is car already booked and the trigger is created. First we want to create the trigger that when new booking is equal to old booking date and customer id is checked, and it is created the table. Trigger raise application error if the customer is not a member. If the entered customer is not a member, we have to raise a error message that insert or update the car booking for each row when new customer id is equal to old customer id, then begin. If the application is not satisfying the condition, then it is a error and the message is printed that you are use the find like that, and it is created. Then create a trigger to update price detail whenever a car is added. For creating that, insert on car detail for each row. For insert for we have to insert the car detail for every rows. Insert into price detail car id, car type, basic price per day value, and the values of new car. First car id and the basic price per day is noted, and the car new car id and new car type is noted. Then after that, to delete the record detail table corresponding to the row has been moved. For to delete the corresponding car details, delete on car detail for each row begin. Delete from price detail where car id equal to old car id. If the car is old, the entry is deleted. Then creating the trigger that inform you to update the price at the last day of the month. To create the update of the last price of the last date, we have to see update the price detail. We have to update the price detail day by day for each row when system date equal to last date of system date. It purely based on the system date, so it is updated like that. dbms output dot the println is printed as the output is printed as updated the price detail. Display the number of booking when a new booking is added. When any car is booked newly, then it is uh, when a booking car is added, new booking is added. For insert, you have to use the car booking, and for each row declare number of two. Begin select count into number from car booking. From car booking, we have to select the number, and it is created as number. And for the we have in this we have to disable all the above created triggers. For that the keyword disable is used, and again drop the last created table. Last created trigger is t trigger 8, so the drop keyword is used to create the drop the trigger 8. Then create a cursor program which updates as follows. Creating a cursor program, insert on the car booking for each row. Declare a cursor program number of 2, id of 3 begin, and the select car id count into id number for booking of car into group by id is created, and it shows the output as id of number. And for in this the cursor details if the booking for 1 day and service tax is 2% and going on 3% going on. The count full for full details is created in this manner, and the output is shown, and output is in this shown. Uh, that's all. Thank you.